This is how you're going to share a project on Base44. So in order for you to share a project, you're going to have to first, of course, sign in or sign up to an account on Base44. And then from here, you're just going to click on the app that you want to share. So this is the app that I want to share. I am going to click on this share icon at the top right of the screen, right beside the publish button. Just click on the share. And then you have here several options that you can do, actually just two. And then what you can do is you can share a public access URL. So anyone with this link can access your app. You're just going to click on copy right here and then send this to anyone you know that you want to have or you want to share your app access with. Another thing that you can do is you can directly send an invitation to them via email address. So you just have to type in their email address right here from the email address field, and then you can choose the access level of this user. So for example, they can use the app or they can manage the users and settings by making them an admin. However, this one is only available for the paid plans. If you're on your free trial or if you are using the free plan of Base44, then you will not be able to access this. Now, once you're done inputting their email address or sharing the URL, all you have to do is to just click on send invitation right here, and then an invitation will be automatically sent to them, wherein they will have to check their email and then click on the link that you have sent, or click on the allow access to them, or to for them to be able to access your site. And that's it. That is how you're going to share a project to anyone on Base44. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.